Hello everyone, welcome to my channel by Science Guide. Today the topic is human eye structure and its parts. Eye is also known as a photoreceptor organ or organ of sight. It is protected by eyebrows and eyelids. Human eye consists six sets of muscles which are attached to the outer surface of the eyeball. The six sets of muscles are two types, four sets of straight rectus muscles and two sets of oblique muscles. The four sets of straight rectus muscles are superior, inferior, medial, and lateral rectus muscles. The two sets of oblique muscles are superior oblique muscles and inferior oblique muscle. The six set of muscles which help to rotate the eyeballs. Human eyes consist the glands are meibomian glands, lacrimal or tear glands. Meibomian glands, which are the form of sebaceous gland, and they are at the edge of eyelids and secrete oily substances that lubricate the eyelids and eyelashes. Lacrimal or tear glands, which are the form of sweat glands, they are present on the superior and lateral surface of eyeball. The tear glands secretes alkaline lacrimal secretion or tears, which keep the eyes moist, clean, and kills bacteria. The internal structure of human eye consists outer layer, middle layer, and inner layer. The outer layer is also called sclerotic, which is an outer fibrous coat of eyeball. It is again differentiated into three layers: sclera, cornea, and conjunctiva. Sclera is an external white coat, tough and opaque, that maintains the shape of eye. Cornea is a thin transparent layer in front of eyes, and it absorbs oxygen from atmosphere and it reflects light to focus on the retina. The cornea region is slightly bulged front part of retina. Conjunctiva is a thin transparent layer that covers the cornea. The middle layer of eye is known as choroid, which is a vascular and pigmented region. It is differentiated into three layers: choroid, ciliary body, and iris. Choroid, it is just below the sclera layer and it is thick and highly vascular. It is also pigmented and can absorb light. It provides nutrition and darken to the eyeball. Ciliary body are found at the junction of sclera and cornea. There are two sets of ciliary body: suspensory ligament and ciliary muscles. They attach to the lens, and due to contraction and relaxation of the ciliary body, the lens become thick or thin. Iris is a muscular pigmented which hangs in front of the lens. It is a smaller circular opening between two iris called pupil. In dim light, pupil becomes larger, and in bright light, the pupil becomes smaller in size. Pupil, which controls the light that is entering into the eye. Iris consists of two types of smooth muscles: circular and radial muscles, that control the size of pupil. The inner layer of eyes is called retina, which is highly photosensitive. It consists of photoreceptor cells like rod and cone cells. Rod cell functions in dim light and it forms a black and white image. It consists the pigments called rhodopsin. Cone cells which functions in bright light and they differentiate the colors. They consist the pigments iodopsin which is in three forms: red cones, green cones and blue cones. Lens which are large, flexible, transparent, biconvex and fibrous crystalline. They separate the eyeball into two chambers, the aqueous chamber and vitreous chamber. Aqueous chamber consists fluid called aqueous humor and the vitreous chamber consists fluid called vitreous humor. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to my channel Bioscience Guide to stay updated with more biology free contents. Thank you for watching.